Hello my wonderful people, welcome back again to our channel Commenters Analyzer TV. My people, today tori wey I carry come give una na about the prank wey Enogie and im wife do. My people, everywhere don seke because of that prank. Anyway, the matter don still dey okay now, but the reason why we carry am come because many people come still end their opinion on the matter, whether na real prank not be real prank we no know. But me know say that thing not be prank, because how can Social and Ogbalegbe come if na prank? Social and Ogbalegbe for no come, because e wife, they say na prank. E wife say when the wife dey live video, Social ring bell enter their house when they come dey speak Dutch. So if really say na prank, wetin Social wan come do for inside prank? Abi they come tell Social make Social come, abi they go bribe Social say make Social come act with them? I no understand. Abi Ogbalegbe when still come their house, they go talk to Ogbalegbe make come act with them? Because video when Enogie do this morning na for class for school, na Enogie for do a video. We never see Enogie say Enogie don still do video for their house. My people, no house when issue not dey, not be the one wey una come turn am to prank. Una come dey fool us when be una followers when dey follow una. No house when issue not dey. But if una get issue, my own advice to Mama Nora, if una get issue, solve your issue for inside your house. If you want speak with your friend, pro brero, you can speak with your friend, but not on social media. I know say men, some men, if they do person something, e go hurt you. E go hurt you like you no know it, you are confused, na make you come. Even with the way when all of us say they see you, we know say you dey stress. You dey stress. When you see person when they stress, you will know say this person they pass through lot of stress. It's not easy. Small children, 3 children, only you they take care of. I know say your husband they assist you, but hey, my people, I go leave that one for viewers. Make the still talk put. So matter wey we carry come today now. Mama Susie talk on Enogie married prank. Mama Susie can't add her own opinion on Enogie married prank. So before we will go on, before we will write down, una know now say na comment section we dey go through. But I would like to pray little as a little video for now. Mona see wetin Mama Susie talk. The lady really talk mature. E no come side Enogie say Enogie, all of us we dey the same meeting. E no come and say me and the Enogie we dey the same, we dey the same gang or meeting. Let me side him. Me I thought say na prank. He talk as a mother, he talk as a mature woman. Wetin this woman really talk, it makes sense. So before we will write down, before we will proceed to our main wetin we dey do for this channel, so I would like to play little video for Namona hear wetin she talk, my amazing people.
Oh God, Enogie. So when you go back to my social media, Iyanyo pena jetina le de amune. Ni pene sadi aripia. Ani ni pene oluku keke ni pene ni ati na giko na ke de amune. Uba me marita afa were Enogie. Uto ya waki yeye. We live video. Abi oni wati e prank. Mo tai. Wa ye pota o e prank. Agadi je to tai. O ya ki ye Enogie. I want you the last time. Enogie stop. Not what you are seeing on social media. Social media gay. Then I will name you or a social media. Enogie. Or where or no when you see, and you see only where you take your relationship as a quality home. And my yard again we quality ya fake. Una ya we as a quality. Umo ya wo ya fair. Iya de go as a quality.
Yeah.
And then now who are na them. Ana them. Enogie. You can't say mo pa na we see where. And when I here I can be not so. When we move na take yes. Not possible. Ora ebunana usa because wage you want win another if I move or sell whatever good in everyone yeah Enogie it's where you do fuck up inside Enogie you don't behave as a man.
Thank you everyone, my wonderful people. Wetin una think about wetin this mama talk? If una watch and reach here, no fail to drop your comment, and una know wetin our channel dey all about. Say this channel is all about commenters. We dey go through comments for this channel. If we go through comments, we'll bring out the comments when our commenters drop. We go bring out the comments when our commenters drop. We go show una say see comments, we still also analyze the comment, the one we go fit analyze. So our first commenter today say see them not be your gang, bed of the same feathers flock together. You all in that gang, both old and young, are all senseless, covering up issue, knowing the truth, it is not a plank. Even a blind man knows that very anyhow people. So our second commenter can say, so my people, so somebody Gina can answer reply this comment. The commenter say how gang take concern her word of advice, abeg shift. So another person come still reply Gina, Queen Love come reply Gina say you are right, is a open record already. Everyone knows that it is not a prank when social workers are involved. You see, I talk this issue, I say if Enogie with a wife they do prank, how come social workers go come take enter the matter? Because Enogie wife dey social media, she dey on her live video when somebody she dey on live video when social ring her bell, she come open and she start to dey speak Dutch. So how dem come take say na prank? Wetin we just need to tell them, everybody know say no be prank dey prank, na real issue they get. But for Enogie wife to take any issue when he with his wife, he with his husband gets for inside house, may take am out for social media. Social media no be where they carry family issue they come. If you get friends, you fit tell your friends. Some friends sef they go even still cover you. Now they go still carry the matter come expose you. So wetin you carry come social media? Tomorrow una come dey live for us. For una mind say we una followers, we be fool. We not be fool. We not be mumu. We when be una followers, when they follow una. As una they talk lie, we they know say na lie. As una they talk truth, we say still they know say this person they talk truth. So my people, let's take our next comment. Mommy. This one can say. So our next commenters can say, you just said it all, my beloved sister. So our next commenter can take again. Say the marriage is already destroyed. Mark my word. The same thing happened to Dion Osagi. The wife was bearing and covering it up until she could not take it again. So I don't know about John Osage issue. Now this them Enogie, I they always follow because Enogie be say not be one, not be two. Waiting be prank. Now so they say they do prank. People when they do prank, waiting that they call her. Jama first lady with your husband. Now this kind of prank that they do. Una no know wetin dem dey do prank. Una go dey follow all those people. If really say na prank una dey do, which everyone know say no be prank una dey do. If una wan learn how to do prank, go and follow German first lady, or you go follow the Prince family, those America people. Follow them. You know how they take dey do prank. No be saga thing one. You dey saga your husband dey saga you, say una say na prank. Your husband dey talk say you drink palm and small start. Una come dey tell us say we wey be mumu. Una dey tell us say na prank. Una think say mumu people go believe una this time. No, we no dey believe. We know the truth. We know the fact of everything. We know wetin dey go on. Say the marriage get issue. No marriage is perfect. No marriage, nobody go say e marriage dey perfect. Anybody wey come out like that come talk am, know say that person dey lie. So wetin make me talk and say no marriage is perfect? If una get issue, talk. You and your husband carry una issue enter house. No because of two of una dey social media now carry quarrel come social media. Tomorrow una come dey tell una mumu fans. Like seriously? Una think say we be mumu? No be everybody mumu. No be everybody. If somebody, like I said before, if you love somebody, no matter wetin go happen, you can never hate that person. Yes. If una dey fight, we know say na fight. If una no dey fight, we still know say these people no dey fight. They are just joke they dey. So let's take our next comment. This one say, first time when you talk truth. I hope that we boy listen to you because e no get sense. Yeah, this woman with wetin she talk now with the little video when I pray for now, this woman, she really makes sense. She talk sense into Enogie head. If Enogie go take her, Enogie no dey take advice. I don't know Enogie, but everybody will they see wetin dey go on for social media, no dey take advice. Say may take advice, e go saga you. So let's take our next comment. This comment I can say point full everything you say, mama. You get wisdom. Over wisdom dey this matter when she talk. So our next comment I can say, your talk really makes sense. If Enogie will listen to you, that woman is in pain, and that I like pass for all what you have said is that person friend should avoid to able to say person friend should able to tell their friend that their mouth is smelly. The truth, because when you cover it, tomorrow another bigger problem may happen. Yes. When you have a friend, anywhere when you forget error, when that your friend no fit come boldly like tell you say, my dear, this your mouth, you need to brush am. E no go tell you, e go carry you go outside. E go dey judge you. Maybe you dey make mistake for your relationship, your friend no fit cover up for you. Take 100% say that your friend no be your friend. Now your big enemy be that, because since e no fit correct you, e dey carry you go outside go dey gossip. If you no know. So let's take our next comment again. Our next comment can say, Madam Ayelala, babe, na grand you just dey talk put. Thank God say I manage listening to you today. Hallelujah, because you and your voice irritates me so much. Good advice. That is if baby boy we take it. What do you expect when he is 32 years? Wetin he know? Come carry marry woman when senior round put for house. Child sorrow. My dear Ella, now you get this comment. He marry who senior am. Enogie fit dey younger, e wife fit dey older than Enogie. E no mean anything. Man wey get sense don get sense. Men of these days, women wey we dey, all of us wey dey this Europe, dem dey sconto their age. Italian go say sconto. Dem dey sconto their age. You see woman go celebrate 31 years in three good time. E go celebrate 31 years. Dem no know say people dey look dem. So if Enogie dey bold enough to tell her husband her real age, if Enogie wife dey bold to tell her husband her real age, no be bad thing. If the man say it's okay by me, you senior me no mean anything, but you respect me as your husband, problem no dey. So now we Africa dey take care. He senior me, I senior am, we no fit marry. Oyibo no dey like that. Dem dey marry who dey senior. The men dey marry who senior dem. The women dey marry who dey senior. They no take am as anything. If love dey there, if they can cope with each other, problem no dey. So let's take our next comment. So somebody can reply Ella say, did she send an invitation to you? So another one can say, this is a family love advice. Kudos to you, mama. God bless you. And the other one say, first time for this lady to talk truth. If he get ear, make he hear a wee boy. So another person can say, I first talk and say this Enogie na overgrow baby long time, cause the way he talk sometime, I wonder if he get any sense at all. Our next commenters, my people, Mona no vex like this. Nobody mama. My boy dey disturb. So our next commenter can say, you are right, Mama Susie. Look at Cora marriage shaking. Just bury 10 days she had her baby. That Cora, oh, I don't know what to say. I don't know what to say. We not just know what to say about Cora. Oh. So let's take our next commenter. Say, Madam, I raise nyash for you. So if they say make you swear say na plank or not, so fear go let you swear, abi? You see the reason why I dislike you. You guys always knows the truth and cover it up. My sister, try make you listen to wetin this woman talk. She no side Enogie. I don't know, because I don't watch and finish. I only watch little of the video. E no side Enogie. She only dey tell Enogie they should take their marriage away from social media. Thank you everyone for your lovely support. God bless you, my amazing people. Please, my amazing people, if you know say you never subscribe to this channel, please subscribe. That button that say subscribe with red, please touch that red and subscribe. Also touch am again to on your notification bell in case whenever I drop any video, now if you receive my video. God bless you, my amazing people. Subscription are free. Please support your girl, support somebody's mom, support somebody's sugar mommy, support somebody's side chick. Not be small. Now only me get all those many aka somebody's mom, aka somebody's side chick, aka somebody's sugar mommy, aka somebody's wife to be. Not be small. God bless you, my amazing people. I really appreciate tonight. They see una good work for this channel. Please guys, continue. Your one subscriber go do me along, go carry me a long way. One come up for inside 100. You see say not complete. So now subscriber go help me a lot. God bless you. See you on my next video. Stay blessed.